Question number 3, part A, write down a factor of 6. Factors are numbers that go into another number exactly. So for example, 3 is a factor of 6 because 6 divides by 3 exactly. The easiest way to find factors is to find times table sums with, in this case, 6 as an answer. So 1 times 6 is 6 and 2 times 3 is 6. There are no other times tables, so these here are the factors of 6. You can choose any one of those and write it down as your answer. B, 2 multiples of 50. Multiples are numbers in the times table of that particular number, which is 50. So what numbers are in the 50 times table? 100's in there and 150. Any two numbers as long as they're in the 50 times table. Prime numbers. One way of describing prime numbers is numbers that only divide by 1 on themselves, but that can be quite tricky if you're not so good at division. Another way of thinking about it is prime numbers are numbers that have exactly 2 factors, and then that links back in with question 3 part A. So for example, 7, the only times table sum with 7 as the answer is 1 times 7. 7 has exactly 2 factors, therefore it's prime. If you look at the number 8, 1 and 8 are factors of 8, but so are 2 and 4. 8 does not have exactly 2 factors, therefore 8 is not prime. So you could go through all the numbers between 20 and 30, and you could identify which ones are like this, with only 2 factors, and which ones aren't. Or you could just try and learn your prime numbers. But anyway, whatever you do, you end up with 23 and 29 are the prime numbers that you could choose from between 20 and 30.